Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, does this look tempting to open? I think it really does. So we're gonna get to it and let's open. This is the front side, this is the back side. Let's get to opening and let's see what we get. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started. Okay, at the back side, you're able to see two tapes, and we're just going to remove those real quick. Just remove it, just peel it a bit. And now we just need to take this off slowly. Perfect. Now just keep that aside while now I am going to open this up. Oh my goodness, that is a ton of goodies. Let's see. Oh wow, it's a poster which has two sides. What is that? Heaven? Looks like heaven. Oh wow, that looks really cool. Oh wow, behind they've got like a whole NASA spaceship built. I like the dog. Okay, that's the first goodie. What's next? Minecraft Amazing Bite-Sized Builds. Whoa. Look at that book. I like it. Maybe I'll build some things today. What else do we have? Mini Redstone Handbook. Cool. Let's check it out. Have a good glimpse of the pages. Wow, pretty nice. I like it. Whoa, this one's big. It's so big that it fits. This is a really epic thing, guys. Believe me, I've always been wanting this. Wow, it's so big and it's such epic inventions. This thing makes me want to do it. Okay, that is acquired. Wow, it's a door handle. That is so cool. Busy building. Join the party. Oh my god, this is the final boss. Look, it's a creeper cutout. You can make a creeper statue to help you. To help it scare the cats away. This is a revision of all the items. Bye!